It's a fucking war zone in here. We just landed in Dhaka and we're at we're just waiting to check in at the hotel. Bro, it's so hot. The traffic is ridiculous. Bro, it looks like a fucking war zone. I haven't been back here in 18 years, so this shit's kind of wild to me right now. Just got to the hotel and gonna have a shower, but do a quick room tour while the room's not a mess. So when you come in, bathroom is over here, the shower. So this is the wet bar here, and then next to the wet bar is wardrobe, which is decent size. Walk through here, big king bed, little area for my suitcase, sofa, and then just a long table here. I said earlier, I haven't actually been back in Bangladesh since I was like 11 years old, so it's been almost 18 years that I haven't actually been here. So I'll get into why I'm here maybe later in on the vlog, but I've got like some business and stuff to attend to while I'm here, and then my dad has some business as well. I was going to come here on my own, but because I haven't been back here in 18 years, and Bangladesh is a little bit shiesty, even though I am Bengali. You never know kind of how to move in countries like this, so considering this is my first time back in a very long time, I thought it'd be good to just bring my dad with me just so I can kind of understand the country a little bit more. There's just going to be a lot of sightseeing, eating food, trying to get some fits off. I haven't bought that many of my wardrobe, that much of my wardrobe. It just didn't feel right having wearing like the most like outrageous fits like in Bangladesh, just because I don't think it would be appropriate. So I've got a lot of just plain jeans, joggers, t-shirts, some jorts. I haven't really bought much else, and there's some shirts and trousers for when I'm doing anything kind of work related. I'm gonna have a quick shower and then get ready. I'll show you my first outfit that I'm wearing tonight, and then I'm gonna go get some biryani from somewhere local. It's gonna slap. Not gonna be as good as my mum's, but it's gonna slap. Also, it is really, really humid. Like, it's like 32 degrees, but sticky. Like, as soon as I got off the plane, beads of sweat like falling down my face. I should be used to it because I've been to Japan so many times, but it's like 37, 38 degrees there, like 100% humidity. So if anything, this should be easier, but it isn't. Awesome. Let me move you over here, baby. So I've just got those core jeans I got from Seoul. These are my beaters, my Bottega Venettas. I've had these for almost 3 years. And then I just got a Hellstar hoodie, which I picked up from the New York vlog. I don't know if you've seen that one, but yeah, I bought that from New York. I can't remember the store. To wait for my dad and my uncle to get ready, and then go get dinner. But before that, I'm gonna take a quick look around the hotel.
Clubs and I ride and I really get dumpy. Sit get finished and I really get grumpy. I pull to the cup, look like I'm in out of a shell. She's throwing it back on myself, she know how I play. She wanna say I look like a devil, but I'm too late. But like some Joe and weed in my fragrance. Her favorite mistake, now she telling up her mate. Got another bitch, wanna fuck for me, okay. Hate when I go, when I forget my name. When I started when she saw a young nigga on stage. She wanna watch man, let me already go face. TikTok, she dropped that waist. She dropped that down and I give sweet pay. Just lean that man, I can make your day. I fuck you with a bird, just say. The bad girl wanna do taste that. I was in a hole, can I lose that weight?
You may as well do. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Literally been out since 10. It's now 3 o'clock, or 2 o'clock. It's hot, it's humid, I'm sweating. I want to have another shower. I've got another meeting at 4 o'clock with the bank. Then after that, we're going to Old Dhaka. Old Dhaka is basically like, before like most of Dhaka got gentrified, so there's going to have loads of like all narrow, there's super crowded, very densely populated, but all the best foods around there, so that's kind of where part of Dhaka I really want to see, because right now, like where I'm staying and where I'm kind of walking around is like high-rise building, very kind of commercial, and whilst it is like very South Asian, I feel like I haven't really got into the thick of it yet, so I'm excited for that. Yeah, I'm gonna have a quick shower and then I'll probably catch back up with you guys around dinner time. I've got one more meeting. I got a meeting this morning with the bank, but after that, I'm pretty much going to be chilling and eating all day, so pretty fit. Wearing a St. Michael tee, Ortega's, core denims, jean chain. Oh, please to keep my hair back. Stomach's been doing all madness these last 24 hours. I don't know what I ate, but whatever it was, it's literally like made my stomach move mad. So I've had some medication just to kind of settle the stomach, but oh no, bro, I'm not feeling too good. Sersky. This is the old part of Dhaka, so like the pre-gentrified bit, and bro, it's so busy. There's so many people, but there's no tourists, all locals. I love it. I love it. Over there. Yeah.
Can you go in the region? This is the original. Okay, this place is the original Hadir Biryani.
Oh, okay.
But they don't even put the name into it, but still it's famous.
Oh, okay. Sweating different. I need to show you. Well, hold on. Oh, look at the state of it. 허리즈는 하게
Dubai, then you get
There's more what?
more Lamborghini.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, in Dubai, then you get.
Yeah.
Just choose which one.
Anything coconutty, I guess. Couple of them. Couple of these.
ওটা টেস্ট না আমি বলতেছি না ওটা দুইটা খালা জামা
নাইকোর কিটা আছে নাইকোর কিছু
দারুন স্টার্ট করতে না
Well, the cherry one.
Okay.
Yeah. Amra. First time in a rickshaw in 18 years.
That's what we eat. চকের যে মিষ্টির দোকান আছে না মিষ্টির পাটান দিশে বলে বুঝতে পারো না আও এ নিরো স্টপ জাস্ট এ
She make it bounce, trampoline. I got a whole lot of price of lean. I got a whole lot of codes of lean. I got a whole lot of, I got a whole lot of sticks and ammo. Dirty, what the fuck? Hey! Johnny Pants, trampoline. I got a whole lot. I got a whole lot. I got a whole lot of sticks and ammo, bitch. I'm loading the magazine. I look like a model. I look like I posted